Hello, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, dear audience, dear our honorable guests, dear jury, dear IEEE NCS student branch members, dear participants. Hello and welcome to the closing ceremony of Morocco IoT and AI Challenge. I would like to start by thanking all the jury members for supporting the Morocco IoT and AI Challenge and for honoring us with their presence today. I would like also to thank all the directors and deans of universities and also the participants that registered to the Morocco IoT and AI Challenge. I would like also to thank our Chancellor, Professor Mohamed Saidi, founder of and past chair of IEEE Morocco section, and also past dean of NCS. So today we are so honored to present to you the closing ceremony of Morocco IoT and AI Challenge. This latter is a competition that IEEE NCS students branch have the privilege to organize this competition inside Morocco. The Morocco IoT and AI Challenge is more than just a competition. It's a regional capacity building and pre-incubation program that help the participants to develop their technical skills and learn and test their abilities and challenge themselves. It's also a huge opportunity for all the students and graduates and also high school students to showcase their talents and grow both academically and professionally. So today we will end the Morocco IoT and AI Challenge journey and also announce the winners of this local competition. The winners will be qualified to the regional finals and that take place within the activities of IEEE Global Conference on Artificial Intelligence and Internet of Things in Dubai. Uh, Yes, so we would like also to present to you more information about this challenge. So in the next slide, please, Jen. Yes, so we will talk about what is Arab IoT and AI Challenge. So as we said, the Morocco IoT and AI Challenge is a local competition of this Arab competition. So this challenge is a digital transformation and movements that will help all the participants to grow and network and also have the privilege to get qualified to the regional finals that will be held that are held every year in December in Dubai. So the Internet of Things and IoT and artificial intelligence are the evolution that will dramatically change all existing industries, services, and products powered by both that will achieve digital transformation, making corporates and big technology providers as well governments and put significant efforts into developing solutions for their beneficiaries, which will enable them to reach new levels of efficiency and optimization to improve people's life skills and capabilities. So our mission today in this challenge is to build qualified calibers in the new technologies and support the Arab region. So in the track challenges, we have the opportunity to let the participants participate with their high school projects, graduation projects, and also their startup projects. So why did you do you participate in this local challenge? Is for many reasons. First of them is the exposure of your entity and beneficiaries, also to support the community and push the movement of digital transformation, then to let your network access of sponsors, partners like Google, Intel, and other partners and supporters, and last but not least, to enrich your portfolio and grow your career. So in the next slide, we will see some pictures of the regional finals held in Dubai last year. So I will let you with Anas, who is the Human Resources of IEEE NCS Student Branch, to present to you our honorable guests.
So, I wish everybody hears me well. So, as Qatar already said, we are very happy to have you here, our honorable guests. I would like to thank them and to thank the participants and the members of jury and also our team of IEEE NCS Students Branch. So, without further ado, I'll present myself. So, I'm Anas Abu Ali. The treasurer of IEEE NCS Student Branch, and I would like to present to you today our honorable guests. First, I would like to present Professor Mohammed Saidi. Mohammed Saidi is the past dean of NCS and founder and past chair of IEEE Morocco section and the counselor of IEEE NCS Students Branch. And what is a delight to have the founding father of IEEE Morocco section here with us, and we are very honored for your presence, Mr. Saidi. And I think the word is yours if you want to say something. I wish everybody hears me.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Well, good evening, good afternoon. Dear colleagues, the director of IAC and the director of sorry, I have a problem with my mic. I'm trying to fix it. Sorry, and dear colleague, director of INSTAM of Rabat, dear colleagues, dear students, ladies and gentlemen, I would like first of all also to extend my congratulations to the winner that will be declared during this ceremony. And this is also an occasion to extend my heartiest thanks to all the jury members from different parts of the world, our national colleagues and friends, Mr. Benjibloun, Mrs. Salima, Mr. Alawi, and Mr. Hamlawi, Professor Hamlawi, is also a colleague at NCS. I think that this is a wonderful opportunity to engage students in especially emerging technologies related with the Internet of Things and artificial intelligence. And I thank sincerely my friend Mr. Aboud for the opportunity he gave us by involving the student branch of NCS in the organization of the qualifications here in Morocco. And I think that the initiative he started in Dubai, and I think this is the second edition that's organized in a row that involved different countries from the Arab world. And that's for the first time we are present as a representative of Morocco through this competition. Well, I'd like also to extend my special thanks to the organizing committee of this Moroccan challenge. I know that it's not very easy to organize such an event in a very short time. I should mention here that the preparations for this event started only a couple of weeks or 3 weeks ago, with strong involvement and engagement of all the members from the student branch at NCS, and probably also the engagement of other students from different engineering schools in Morocco, which is key, I think, to the success we had today. So to all of them, really congratulations. Even the teams that were not really successful in this competition, I think that the mere fact of taking part in this event is in itself success, because we had very good projects submitted from different engineering schools, universities that cover different applications of IoT and artificial intelligence in different areas. Smart cities, smart agriculture, smart health, and so on and so forth. Kautar already mentioned several applications covered in this area. And in framework of the IEEE, because as you know, probably the student branch and also Mr. Awood would agree with me. There are a lot of opportunities within IEEE to develop this kind of activities, networking among students from different parts of the world. We are just now working on a very interesting initiative that started in this student branch. Probably I've already mentioned it during the opening ceremony of this finals, which is targeting to establish a global hackathon on smart cities that will be launched soon within IEEE, which is targeting to network academia, universities, industry, and also to help create new innovations based on IoT and its different and artificial intelligence and different other applications. So without monopolizing, I think the time dedicated to this introductory speech, I would like to once again to congratulate all the winners and thank all the organizing committee members, and thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Saidi. And as you said, it was very challenging to organize such an event in a short amount of time, but I guess we somehow succeeded, and that's thanks to all of you here, our honorable guests, our members of the jury, and the participants. And I would like to thank you for your participants and your engagement with us. So I'll get to the next. Our next guest is Mohammed Aboud. He is a co-founder and organizer committee chair of the IEEE Global Conference on IoT and IEEE GC IoT. So we are very honored as well to have you here with us. And the world is yours if you want to talk.
السلام عليكم. اهلا بكم جميعا، واسمحوا لي ان يعني القي كلمتي باللغه العربيه. يمكن احد اسباب ان احنا اطلقنا الارب IoT and AI Challenge ان احنا نحاول نتيح جزء من التكنولوجيز الحديثه والمتقدمه لكل عالمنا العربي. طبعا اللغه الانجليزيه هي اللغه الام لكثير من العلوم، ولكن يعني هناك بعض المحاولات ان يكون برضو في تقديم لمحتوى عربي قوي في مجالات علميه مختلفه. عشان كده ما بعرفش هل حد من حضراتكم كان حضر معانا او شارك معانا في اسبوع العلوم العربي اللي كنا عقدناه في اغسطس 2020. وكذلك هناك محاولات ان احنا هيبقى عندنا نوليدج هاب او محتوى علمي معرفي للعلوم المتقدمه باللغه العربيه بحيث تكون متاحه لكل عالمنا العربي. فيعني احب ابدا اولا بشكر جزيل دكتوري ويعني اخويا الاستاذ الدكتور محمد السعيدي، رئيس العميد السابق للجامعه، وكذلك مؤسس IEEE برانش في المغرب، ويعني شرفت بمعرفته منذ تاسيس الكثير من الانشطه في المغرب في الالفينات. فيعني كل الشكر والتقدير للمجهود الطيب اللي بذل وتشجيعه لاطلاق موروكو IoT and AI Challenge، والشكر موصول لكل فريق العمل القائم على تحدي المغرب لإنترنت الاشياء موروكو IoT and AI Challenge. حاتم شكر جزيل، بذل مجهود كبير في التواصل وفي ان احنا نظل على تواصل لاتمام هذه الدوره، وكوثر وكل فريق العمل في MCS على المجهود الرائع اللي بذل، اللي في وقت قصير جدا استطاع ان هو يعني يتمم هذه المسابقه. فكل الشكر والتقدير، وتمنياتنا لكل الفائزين بالتوفيق في النهائيات العربيه اللي هتقام هذا العام في خلال اسبوعين من الان ضمن فعاليات IEEE GC IoT. طبعا كنا شرفنا السنه اللي فاتت بمشاركه كل الفرق المتاهله لنهائيات فيزيكال في دبي، ولكن للاسف طبعا هذا العام بسبب الكوفيد 19 هيبقى النهائيات فيرتشوال، ولكن ان شاء الله نسعد باذن الله السنه الجايه ان يكون الفرق المؤهله والفائزه معانا فيزيكال في المؤتمر اللي هيقام ضمن فعاليات الاكسبو 2020 ان شاء الله. وبس 2020 بس هيكون في 2021. ف يعني كل الشكر والتقدير لفريق العمل اللي قام على المسابقه، وخالص التمنيات بالتوفيق والنجاح للمتاهلين والفائزين. والفائز ليس هو فقط من سيحصل على المركز الاول او الثاني او الثالث، ولكن الفائز هو كل من بذل جهد وطور مشروع وتعلم تكنولوجيا جديده اكيد هيستفيد منها في شغله، او هيؤسس عليها شركه تنتج تكنولوجيا وتساهم في تطوير عالمنا العربي في هذه المجالات المتطوره. فكل الشكر والتقدير للقائمين على المسابقه، والتمنيات بالتوفيق لكل الفائزين والمشاركين فيها، وشكرا جزيلا على الدعوه الكريمه.
إذا شكرا لك سيد محمد على هذه الكلمة. Donc, we'll pass to our next honorable guests. I think, I don't know if Professor Brada is here with us. Professor Brada? I don't know if she'll come or not. So I'll pass to Professor Abdullah Minna. Professor Abdullah is the director of International Academy of Civil Aviation, IAC, the head up of the International Civil Aviation at the Office of l'Office National des Aéroports, ONDA. He has worked for Morocco's National Airports Authority. He has managed many projects, including working with the United States Trade and Development Agency on an independence review of the air transport system in Morocco, and so many other interesting things that we cannot briefly say, of course. So I would like to thank you, Mr. Abdullah, for being with us, and we're very honored by your presence. So, Dr. Minnou, if you have, the floor is yours if you want to say something.
Sorry, I am in the home, so I am honored and proud to see that you organize a big meeting like this in Morocco. So my congratulations to all team, and especially Mr. and Dr. Saidi Mohammed, my colleagues and my brother, who is the past dean of NCS. And I will wish all the best for the winners in this competition. So I am very proud to be with you. Sorry, because I am in the home with my children and I cannot to continue with you the second phase of this meeting. And may I apologize for this. But if there is anything I can to do for enhancing this project or area of artificial intelligence and deep learning or big data or something like that, feel free to let me know if there is anything I can do for you. So I can tell you that so far so good, but much more remains to be done in the future. So thank you for inviting me for this ceremony, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Abdullah, and thank you for being with us, even those circumstances, of course. Still, thank you very much for attending this closing ceremony. So, last but not least, Professor Khalid Bikri, a researcher and dean of Insan Rabat. He is a professor at Insan Rabat as well. So, thank you for being with us, and we were very honored to have you with us. So, the floor is yours, Mr. Bikri.
Hello, everybody. First of all, with your permission, I would like to speak in French because I'm not very comfortable with English. My apologies also go to our friend Professor Mahmoud from Egypt. À mon tour, je félicite les heureux gagnants de cette finale. Je suis aussi content et heureux d'être parmi vous aujourd'hui dans cette cérémonie de clôture de ces qualifs locales au niveau du Maroc pour l'Arab IoT and AI Challenge. Donc, je pense que c'est une bonne chose que les étudiants et les élèves ingénieurs des écoles et établissements marocains puissent participer à ce type d'événement et de compétition. C'est une véritable incitation à la créativité et à l'innovation chez les jeunes marocains dans des domaines porteurs comme ceux liés aux technologies numériques et en particulier à l'intelligence artificielle et l'Internet des objets. Ce qui permettra très certainement à ces futurs ingénieurs et lauréats de se doter de moyens et de compétences pour affronter l'avènement de la transformation digitale et bien certainement ses répercussions sur le monde de l'entreprise et également l'industrie, en particulier l'industrie 4.0. Donc voilà, pour nous au niveau de l'ENSAM, c'est un domaine que nous tentons de mettre en place. Je suis heureux que des étudiants de l'ENSAM soient présents dans cette finale, à côté d'élèves ingénieurs issus d'établissements de référence dans ce domaine-là. C'est un domaine qu'on essaie d'encourager au niveau de notre établissement et on a même commencé cette année une première filière d'ingénieurs dans le domaine de l'analyse des données et de l'intelligence artificielle, mais aussi des équipes de recherche qui se mettent en place pour justement développer des compétences au niveau recherche scientifique, innovation, mais toujours en application dans le domaine de l'industrie qui caractérise les formations accréditées au niveau de notre école. Donc, je souhaite enfin aux gagnants une bonne continuation et pourquoi pas des prix à l'échelle des pays arabes, ce qui va très certainement porter très haut notre pays comme un pays leader dans ce domaine. Inch'Allah. Bonne continuation à vous tous. Merci.
Donc, merci, monsieur Bekri. Donc, je pense que je vais passer la parole à Kautar.
Thank you, Anas. Yes, Father. Go ahead.
Yes. So, can you please, Jad, share the presentation?
Okay.
So, after presenting our honorable guests, so thank you so much for accepting our invitation and for being with us in this closing ceremony. We would like to present to you our resume of schedule of the events we have organized during this Morocco IoT and AI challenge. Starting with yes.
Thank you, Kautar. Thank you for all the participants, for the jury members, for our honorable guests, and for the NCS students and all the ITP volunteers who participated in the organization of this event, and also for the support of Mr. Mohamed Aboud from the IEEE Global Conference in IoT. So I will start with the Morocco IoT and AI challenge schedule. In the 10 November, we started the opening registration. From the 19 to 27 November, we made a lot of webinars, live and mentoring sessions with our jury members and the keynote speakers. And 24 November, the registration deadline was we stopped the registration. And in 28 November, we passed to the finals of the Morocco IoT and AI challenge. So we will talk now about the webinars. Our first webinar was on the 19 November with Mr. Narangan Kishore, who is a very known in India. Is a technology philanthropist, innovation, standardization, and sustainability evangelist, and also mentor and principal design at Next Technologs. The topic of this talk was about the future of life, disruptive technologies, and creativity. We learned a lot of about the related fields like the IoT, the AI, the 5G, the blockchain, and all the future the technologies that may create a huge change in the future. The second webinar was in 2021 November with Mr. Mohammed Aboud, with I already mentioned the co-founder of the IEEE Global Conference on IoT. The talk was about what is IoT, what is the Arab IoT and the I challenge, like an introduction of the challenge, the tracks, and how the participants can the benefits of this challenge, and so on. And also, the third webinar was on 21 November with Mr. Rami Alapu. It was like a Q&A session on career development and research in general, and then machine learning specifically. Mr. Rami is a staff research scientist at Google AI in Mountain View, California, USA. So we enjoyed a lot at this session. The students and the participants exchanged a lot with Mr. Rami, how they can start their journey in machine learning, how they can find internships, jobs at Google and the big companies, etc. 23 November, we did a webinar with Dr. Ahmed Abdel Gawad, who is an associate professor at Central Michigan University in the USA. The topic was about the Internet of Things, opportunities and challenges. It was very insightful, very appreciate the presentation about all areas of Internet of Things, the challenges that may be happen in the future, and also the opportunities. And on 25 November, we did a webinar with Mr. Iyas Bijloun, who is also one of the jury members. As we know, Mr. Iyas Bijloun is from Canada. He's the co-founder of MLT New Tech, is the largest volunteer-driven tech startup non-profit in Canada, in Montreal, I think, for the last 10 years. Also, in charge of the Open Innovation Strategy at Desjardins for the last 5 years, and he gave lots of mentoring and coaching for more than 1,000 startups and collaborating with the large organization. And the topic was about the art of pitching, how the participants can boost their participation, how they can defend their ideas, and the best way to present their project in this competition. On the 26th November, our webinar was with Ms. Salima Qaisi, which is about how to build the successful technology partnerships. As we know, Ms. Salima has more than 15 years of international experience in big companies like Alcatel, Nokia, Microsoft, and Twitter in different places the world, in Middle East, Europe, and also the US. She is currently working with Okta, the leader in identity and access management, as a senior manager for business development and strategic alliances. On 27 November, we have a webinar with Mr. Christophe Zorbi, who is the CEO of Zaka. Zaka is a company based at Beirut, Lebanon, that aims to democratize AI in the MENA region, Middle East and North Africa, and globally through sharing knowledge, building solutions, and connecting people. The talk was about the need for AI education and AI's importance in our future. So the next webinar was with Ms. Rosana de Oliveira Gomez, with the lead machine learning engineer and project manager at Omdena. Omdena is a company based in California that aims to build innovative and efficient AI and data science solutions. The talk was about how AI can solve social problems. So I think that was all the schedule of this event, the webinars, the live sessions, the mentoring sessions, and our speakers, our guests. So I will give now the floor to Kautar or Anas to present the next part, which is the talent statistics and charging criteria. Thank you.
Thank you, Jad, for this insightful presentation. The work we've done about the webinars and the lives and mentoring sessions for the participants. So I hope it was very insightful. And now I will present you some statistics about this competition. So we've got 19 submissions from different teams in different universities in Morocco. So in details, we had 6 teams from IAC, 4 from NCIAS, 2 from EMI, 2 from FST Tanger, 1 from ENSAM Rabat, 1 from EHTP, l'UR, ENSAFES, and ENSA Kenitra. Next, we will present you some of the judging criteria that have been set by the original organizers of Arab IoT and AI Challenge. So these judging criteria, who are which were the base to select the finalists and also the winners of this competition. So first, the juries have focused on the market need and the opportunity. Is there well identified? Is there well compiling? Then the approach and the value proposition. So is the value of the project clear? Is the proposed product idea serves the need? Then we have the technology. So is the technology has been properly used and implemented on the proposed idea or product? Is it suitable to IoT and AI technologies? And also the prototype. So the jury have focused on the project. Did they have created a prototype? Did they have a functional prototype and a demonstration? Is it clearly understanding? Next, we have the market. So the jury focused on who will buy the product, who is the target market, what is the size of the market, is it identified and compelling? And also there are a lot of criteria that have been based in this competition. So the last one I will introduce is the business model and the financials. So is the teams know well the price of their product or service, how it will cost to produce it, is they have a business model demonstrated for the project, and also they have focused on the business side, on the market, and yeah, that was the judging criteria that the juries have focused on. So next we will have the finalists we have today. So we have 7 finalists that have been qualified to the finals of Morocco IoT and AI Challenge. So we have Blind Domotic from FST Tanger. Are they present with us? So if the team leader wants to say something?
Yes. Thank you for this opportunity, and I would like to say that this is a pleasure to be with you today in the finals. It's a pleasure to participate in such a competition with a great organization and so on. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and congratulations for being in the finals. So the second team is NVP's Junior from IAC. So,
hello everyone. I'm going to be speaking for my team. First of all, thank you IEEE for giving us this chance to represent our idea, and whatever the results are, we're very glad to participate. We'd like to thank the members of jury and the NCS branch students for this amazing organization, and thank you.
Thank you so much, and congratulations for being here. So the third team is Guide Me from Ensam Rabat.
Hello everyone, I am Youssef. I am from the project Guide Me from Ensam Rabat. We are very happy to be with you today. I would like to thank, in the name of our team, all the organizers and the juries and our director who is present with us. And yeah, we are very happy to be with you today. And it's just the beginning for a big project. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and congratulations for your team for being to the finals. So the fourth team and fourth finalists are Omnisat from IAC.
Hello everyone, I'm Abdullah Siri and I'm the leader of Omnisat's team. I would like first to congratulate all the finalists who managed to get to this point, and I would also like to give my sincere thanks to the organizing committee, to EEE's branch and NCS, as well as all the experts and the jury members who managed to give some of their time to us dreamers. And that's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Abdullah, and congratulations. So the next team is Smart Irrigation from NCS.
Yes, hello everyone. And me too, I would thank the IEEE NCS Students Branch and the jury members for this opportunity and amazing experience. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and congratulations. So the next team is from EMI. Their project is about smart stick for blind people. So is there someone from the team with us in this meeting? No. So the last team and the last finalist with us today is also from EMI. The project is about social distancing robots.
Hello everyone, I am happy to be with you here, and I like say thank you for you all.
Thank you so much. So I would like to present a short brief about each team and each project. So the blind domotic is about a smart domotic prototype for blind people based on object detection methods using voice recognition. The NVP's Junior from IAC project consists on building an application based on AI in order to raise awareness among young people, especially children, about the abundance, diversity, and complexity of the environment around us, and provide them with the keys to understand how to protect the environment. The third team is Guide Me from Ensam Raba. So the project consists of producing an interactive map that is used to guide visitors to a location. The principle of this map is to display a 3D path that the visitors must follow to facilitate the navigation. The fourth team and the four finalists from IAC are Omnisat. So Omnisat is an application software startup supplying data about space objects, satellites, and debris. It's tracking and mentoring service. It's based on supervised machine learning, and it is available to satellite operators worldwide. The fifth finalists are Smart Irrigation from NCS. Their project is about smart system for automatic irrigation to lessen water loss and enhance the crops. The sixth finalists are Smart Stick for blind people from EMI. So their project is a device to guide the blind people based on an AI system to detect obstacles and recognize faces. And the last finalists with us today are social distancing robots, also from EMI. The principle of the robot is that it will follow a line that is parallel to the waiting line. While passing by the line, the robot will assure the respect of the distance limit between the persons. So each one of these teams have pitched their ideas and had a Q&A session on Sunday on the finals to convince the jury and to present well and defend their ideas. So we wish all the best luck for all the Morocco IoT and AI Challenge finalists. So now I will let you with the most excited part in this meeting today is announcing the winners. So I would like first to thank our member of juries who are with us today, and also the others who can't participate with us. So I will start with Professor Mahmoud Al-Hamlawi.
Good afternoon, and especially good morning to Salima and Ilyas. So first of all, I want to thank the organizing committee for the incredible work. And so after a hectic final few days ago, the judges had an incredibly tough time making their final decision. And all teams had, as you stated, produced incredible work. So I don't know if you had an excitement song or like a drum roll. So drum roll, the winner of the third place is MVPs from IAC. Congratulations.
Congratulations to MVPs for ranking third on the.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you for giving us the opportunity to introduce our product.
Congratulations.
We're really glad to represent our school in this competition.
Yeah. So I will let you with Mr. Ilyas Ben Jelloun, who is one of the member of the jury of Morocco IoT and AI Challenge, to represent and tell us the second winner team.
Yeah, of course. Well, I will not repeat all the thanks for everyone, as my fellow friends and colleagues said. But indeed, especially in this unique year, great work both on the organizing team and all the participants. One big highlight that I still want to say is congrats to the diversity of the teams participating, as well as the leadership of IEEE here for this competition. I saw almost, if I'm not wrong, half women, half men, and also half women, half men leadership teams of the project, as well as in the finalists. And this is very heartwarming in the technology space, especially when we see the challenges of diversity and inclusion. So I would like to say thank you, and thanks for the leadership of the IEEE team as well in that regard. That's really heartwarming. I'm obviously from Morocco, and I'm here in Canada for the last 15 years, and it's awesome to see this happening in Morocco. So congratulations, really, as well as for the ideas. And I would like to highlight, no matter the winners today, please keep in mind that the real winners are the ones who continue, learn through this, pivot, listen to others, and try again. And I think our doors are always open if you really want to get shit done and have a positive impact in our society to help you move forward. Now, without further ado, the team, the second place team, but really there is no really place, but like among the three, really happy to see for their passion, their dedication, their ability to not only have ambitious views and positive impacts, as well as to learn from skills that they don't necessarily do at school and explore those other skills that they need to be able to build a real business. Drum roll, congratulations to Bravo.
Congratulations to the OmniSat team for ranking second in this Morocco IoT and AI challenge.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And last, we will have the first winner of our competition. So I will let you with Mr. Walid Alawi Mani to represent the first winners of this competition.
Yes, so thank you, Kautar. Well, I'd like to say a few words in Arabic. أريد أن أشكر الفريق على الدعوة في هذه للمشاركة في هذه المسابقة كعضو في لجنة التحكيم، وأن أهنئ المنظمين على هذا العمل الممتاز الذي قاموا به. أتمنى حد موفق للفرق المتأهلة للنهائيات في المسابقة العربية، والذين سيشرفون المغرب إن شاء الله. ولكن أيضا أريد أن أؤكد على جودة جميع المشاريع حتى الذين لم يوفقهم الحظ في هذه النسخة، وأتمنى أن يكملوا في عملهم من أجل إن شاء الله إنشاء شركات واعدة مغربية. والفريق الأخير الأول هو فريق جايد مي من إنسام رباط.
Thank you so much. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving us this opportunity, and like to thank my teammates who've been doing a great job. We've been working for the whole quarantine, and now we started reaping the benefits from our project. I'm now shivering. I'm so happy. It's a big pleasure. I just want to say that we're gonna try to do our best, making our school to be in the top, and our club in Samra, our club electrical engineering club in Samra, to be to rise to the top. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Congratulations to the Guide Me team from Ensamaba. And
it's just the beginning, and as all the jury members said, it's just the first step of our project, and we'll continue on that. So thank you for all the organizers and the juries, and also we don't forget the participants. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you so much, and congratulations for all the teams and winners for their participation on our event. So, Mr. Zakaria, our member of jury, weren't able to join us today, but Mrs. Salima Qaisi is with us today, so I will let her to give a word about this competition and about the winner teams.
Thank you very much, Kautar. It was an honor to be part of this challenge. So thank you very, very much for inviting me to be part of that. Congratulations to all the participants. Congratulations to the winners. And as my colleague said, it's all about what you will do next. So winning is great, but regardless of the ranking and of the selection, everyone is encouraged to work on your ideas and to take it to the next step. Great work, a student branch of NCS Engineering School. Excited to see also many girls as advocates of women and girls in STEM myself. I'm very excited to see a very balanced gender participation, both in the challenge and also in the organization. So definitely it's an honor to be part of that. Congrats again, and thank you for having me here.
Thank you, Ms. Salima, for your word, for your presence, for all. We know that the judging was very hectic, very difficult to choose the best teams. And thank you very much for all the jury members, for your time, for your support, and also for the upcoming mentoring with the winners. I think we have mentoring sessions with Mr. Elias, with about how they can pitch their ideas in the IEEE conference, the global conference in Dubai in December. So I wish them the best of luck in their future and their upcoming presentations and projects, and thank you very much. Anas?
Sorry about it, I didn't hear you. Yeah. Do you hear me? Hello?
Yes, yes. Very good.
Do you hear me?
Yes. Go ahead.
So, I think, wait a second. So, I think I'll introduce Mrs. Salma Kaisi. So, Salma Kaisi, one of her first member juries, is a senior manager business developer at Octal. She has 15 years of international experience in the tech world, working with many companies, including Alcatel, Nokia, Microsoft, and Twitter, in different places in the world, in the Middle East, airline, Europe, and the US. She is currently working with Okta, the leader in identity and access management, as a senior management for business development and strategic alliances. Mrs. Selma would like to thank you again for being part in this special competition. And if you have anything to say or something you would like to say.
Thank you, Anas, for your brief presentation and bio about Ms. Salima. I think the competition was a very good experience for all the participants. Also, those who participate for the first time. It was a great challenge and with many ideas and projects, and hoping they can develop their ideas for the future and to go to other challenges and to win, inshallah. So thank you all the presence, the audience, the participants, jury members, honorable guests for your presence today with us. Also for the winners, I want to thank them very much. And I think we have a mentoring session with Mr. Iyas Ben Jaloun for the winners. Mr. Iyas? So we can finish our journey here, and hoping upcoming year, inshallah, we organize the second Morocco Arab IoT and AI Challenge for new version, hoping it will be not virtual and also face-to-face, inshallah. Thank you very much.